When y'all go to the restroom, just make sure you hold your hair up. These things might drip in the toilet. Just saying. What is up, guys? It is your girl Sarah Elizabeth, and I am so excited to be back. It has been a minute since I made a video, y'all, and of course y'all know I came through with another lock video. These locks is more like to my booty and these other ones weren't, so make sure y'all watch this video. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start with my hair already pre-braided, and I'm going to go ahead and massage my hair with some Jamaican castor oil. Honestly, it really helps with braiding your hair a day or two prior, just because it kind of helps speed up the process of installing these faux locks as well. I installed 74 braids in my hair, and each braid is about a pinky width apart. I just wanted to make sure that these locks were going to be full, since they are those soft locks and they are pretty thin. Now, I purchased these locks on Amazon, and these locks are 36 inches, y'all. No more tying two locks together. You can get a whole 36-inch lock, and I am excited to install these guys. So there are about 21 locks on each little pack, and I was actually sent about 7 packs of hair. The wrapping hair that I am going to use is just some spring twist hair I also got from Amazon. Nothing too fancy, just some regular old spring twist hair, y'all. Now, in order to make these seamless, go ahead and pull that loop open to basically take some of that knot out. This will basically help with making that seamless look and making sure you don't have that big old bulk at the top of your head. I'm going to take my crochet needle and basically crochet a few part ways down the braid. This basically, once again, helps with making sure you don't have that knot at the top. I'm going to pull the lock partially through the braid, take the end of my hair and just loop it back through that loop. I hope that made sense. It is really simple to basically install the locks like this, and I'll definitely make sure I show you guys again, but pretty much just crocheting a few notches down on my braid, pulling the lock through, and I'm just going to take a piece of fluffed out spring twist hair, crochet at the base of my hair, and just literally just wrap on down and palm roll. I know I said a lot, but I promise you guys it is very, very simple, and I'll definitely make sure I show you guys again, of course without me talking, because I like to ramble a lot. One thing I forgot to mention is while you're wrapping the hair, make sure you're leaving space in between while you're wrapping, just so you can kind of get that soft look instead of having that really thick, hard, and stiff lock. We're trying to get soft locks, y'all. Now this right here is just a quick look of what the lock previously looked like compared to what it looks like when you wrap a piece of spring twist hair around it. As you can see, the lock is way more fuller, it's way more cuter, you know, it's not as thin and wispy as the other one. So definitely make sure y'all are using spring twist hair when you're wrapping these locks. Y'all, when I say these locks is long, I'm 6'2" and I got it back up far as hell on the camera. So if you under 6'2", these are probably going to come to about your knees or your feet. You know, if that's where you want them, that's fine. But these come to my butt. So yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. The simplest, easiest hairstyle y'all can install without having to add any additional locks at the bottom. I am here for this. I am loving the length. I am loving like this little whole goddess effect. I am loving how it is touching my butt, you know. I'll make sure I link everything in the description box below for you guys. And when I say definitely get y'all some of these locks, I'm telling y'all, get y'all some of these. These are bomb and they are so lightweight. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, bye.